Fifth question. At each corner of a triangle field of sides 26 meters, 28 meters, 30 meters, if a curve is together tethered by a rope of length 7 meters. So is each corner of the triangle curve is tethered. What is the length of its rope? 7 meters. The area lying in the triangle region enraged by the coils. So we can draw a triangle here. So at this point, one rope, these 3 points, ropes are there, and the length of each rope is 7 meters. So this rope can form a circle. Here also, rope can form a circle. So within that circle, I'll get row. So what is the other area in which a cow cannot row mine heat? So this area is asking us to find. Okay, how we can find? We can find by calculating this entire area first and then subtracting this area and this area, this area, these 3 areas from the entire area of the triangle. Okay, how to find the entire area of the triangle? Okay, the lengths are given actually 26 meters, 28 meters, and 30 meters. So these are the known sides actually. 13, 14, 15. If the sides are like this, the area will become 84. I'll tell you how to solve it. Some certain areas we need to remember. Tell you how we can do that. Now, see, to find out in the area lying in the triangular region and engaged by the row is. Okay. So what is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r square. Okay. Here r is the radius of that circle. R is given as what? 7. So pi. So the length, the rope of length is 7 meters means r is 7 meters. So 22 by 7 into 7 square is the area. But we don't need this complete area. We need only this area. Here to here, here to here. We need only this area. This area we need. Okay, how we can calculate that area? In any triangle, the sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That we know. So if you add this angle, and this angle, it will become 180 degrees, right? But for a circle, how many degrees will be there? For a circle, 360 degrees. You don't need the complete 360 degrees. You don't need the complete 360 degrees. You need only 180 degrees area. So what you will do is, you will take only the area which is responsible for 180 degrees out of complete area of circle. Okay, so it means 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 square is the area which is there inside this portion. And this should be subtracted from the area of the triangle, the area of the complete triangle. So how to find the complete area of the triangle? So we know the sides are known. The sides are known. You can find its area. You can find the area of a triangle if the sides are known. What is the formula for that? S into S minus A minus B minus C. Okay. So S is given, S is equal to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. A and B and C are given 26, 58 plus 30. The whole thing divided by 2. How much it is? 58, 58, 78, 24 by 2, see 40. It is 4, 54 plus 30, 84. Yeah. 84 by 84 by 2 means 42. 42 is the S value. So what I'll do is 42 into 42 minus 26, 30, 42, 12, 16 into 14 into 12 under root these things. You can convert them. See 2 into 21. 21 means 3 into 7. 4 into 4, 2 into 7, 3 into 4. These 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 square, 4 square, and 7 square, and again 2 square. 6 into 4 into 7 into 24, 48, 48 sevens are 57 are 350 minus 40. Okay, so 336 is an area, centimeter square or meter square, whatever it is. So one area we got it as 336. The other thing is this one. Then remove this 7. So it is 11. 11 7 is 77. So 336 minus 77 is the answer. So I'm writing it here. 336 and 77. 6 minus 16 minus 7. So 9. Whatever the answer which is ending with 9 is the answer. This is the answer. So 59 is the answer. See, you don't have to do all these things. Okay? You can eliminate the options. How you can eliminate? See, 336 is the entire triangle area. So obviously the inner portion cannot be 336. You can eliminate that. And 77. See, the rope length is 7 meters. What is the length? Any side. First, one side is 26. So half of that is 30. Not even half of the side. 7 meters is not even half of the side. So obviously the area will be more than half. So more than 336. Half of 336 is what? Half of 336 is something around 150. No, 170, around 170. So obviously the option should be above 170. This is not, and this is not. Obviously it can be 259. You can eliminate. Once you find the area of a triangle, you can eliminate the other options. But just thinking about it. Like that, you can find the answer. And so next question. Next question. The length of two parallel sides of a trapezium are 28 and 40. What is trapezium? Trapezium will be having four sides. So in those four sides, two sides will be parallel and two sides won't be parallel. Okay. So they'll be like forming a triangle. Trapezium diagram we need to draw. So trapezium will be like this. Like that. So they'll form a triangle here and one more triangle here. So this you can take it as height. Take it as height. So this is height, the same height there also. And one side is given as 28, and other is 40. From here to here it is 40. Okay, and here to here it is 40. So out of these, only few parameters. From here to here it is 28 obviously. What about the remaining two portions? So remove 28 from this 12. 12 means 6 here and length of each of its other two sides is 12 centimeters. So it is given as 12. It is given as 12. So this is like rectangle triangle, 90 degrees here. So hypotenuse is 12. One side is 6. Can you find height? You can easily find. Is equals to under root of 144 minus this one. 12 square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. From that I have written directly h value. So 144 minus 36, how much it is? So 36, 54, 108. 108 under 108 means 2 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 into 9. Okay. So you can take 6 square as common, then 6 root 3 is answer. So this is h value. So h is equal to 6 root 3. So once you know the height, so this is one triangle. Entire thing is one triangle. Similar triangle is one. So you have to add these two triangles, and this is becoming rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So you can use a direct formula also. There is a formula half into a plus b into h is the direct formula. Find out the area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium formula, this one. So that is equal to half into 28 plus 40 into 6 root 3. Okay, so it means 68, 34, 34 into 6 root 3. So it should end with 4. So which option is ending? Both options. 204 root 3 is the answer. Okay, by using the direct formula you can find, or else you can find the area of this triangle. How you can find area of this triangle? half into base is 6, it is 6 root 3. So 2 is up. So 18 root 3. 18 root 3 is one triangle. So into 2, because there are two triangles. 36 root 3 is the area of these two triangles. And what is the area of the rectangle? Plus area of rectangle is 6 root 3 into 28. So 28 6 how much? 28 6. 168 root 3. 168 root 3 is 36. So it is 204. So in both ways you can calculate. There are two possible ways. And next 27. Water is pumped out of a tank through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 7 centimeters and the speed of the flow of water is 12 centimeters per second. The rate of flow of any fluid through a pipe is the product of the speed of fluid and the area of cross section of the pipe. The amount of water pumped out 1 hour is. So, okay, there is a pipe. So this pipe, water is flowing. So pipe will be having a circle in the area. Like this, water will be flowing. And internal diameter is given. Diameter is D is equal to 7 centimeters. Then R is equal to 7 by. And what is given? The speed of the flow of water is given. Speed of water is given as speed is equal to 12 centimeter per second. Okay. And he is asking how much amount of water is flowing inside the pipe. So how you can calculate how much amount of water can flow. How much amount of water? It's nothing but the area of the pipe into its speed or its length. Okay, pi r square into the speed with which it is flowing, the time taken. It's nothing but the volume of water which is flowing inside the pipe. Okay, the rate of flow of any fluid through a pipe is the product of the speed of the fluid and the area of cross section. So speed of fluid is cubic centimeter per second into area is square centimeter. Okay, cubic centimeter per second into for 1 second how much water is flowing into for number of seconds the water will be flowing. So this will become the volume of the water which is flowing. So what I'll do is pi r square is the area which it is flowing into the speed of the water. Speed of the water is 12 centimeter per second. 12 centimeter per second. And for how much time it has flown? For 1 hour. So it is in an hour. So in an hour, how many seconds are 3600 seconds. Now you see, you can see the units. Seconds get cancelled. So centimeter into the area units will be centimeter square. So it will become centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is nothing but volume. So you have to divide that with 1000. You will get in liters. Now what I'll do? Be 2 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 12 into 36 100. 177 goes for 3s are. See, there is 22. 22 is 11 multiple. So you can check the 11 multiple and eliminate also. This is not 11 multiple. These two options you can eliminate. And see, this one is also not 11 multiple. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, how much? 11. And 7 plus 7, 14. 14 minus 11, 3. So it is not a 11 multiple. Here, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So if the difference is 0, then that will be divided by 11. So answer is 1663.2. Directly you can say, because yet 22 is 11 into 2, right? So the answer should be multiple of 11. So like that you can eliminate or you can calculate also. 22 7. 22 7 is 54, 36. Four into 3, 3, 3, the 96 is there. Wait. Here we forgot 3 also. One 54 into 36 3 or not 8. See, 8 4 32. So what is the number which is ending with 2? Obviously, is the answer. Okay. If you do, then also you get the same answer. 32, 40, 43, 8, 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 4, 2, 3, 6, 6, 1. So 16, 632 is there. Besides that, 2 zeros, and to calculate in liters, should divide it with 1000. This will become here 1663.2. So if you calculate also, you will get, or else you can eliminate the options by taking the 11 multiple. So next, 28th question. What is the question? A solid cone of height 15 centimeter. There is a cone whose height is 15 centimeters and base diameter is 30 centimeters. So cone will be having diameter and height. A solid cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter is 30 centimeter. There is a cone like this. So in this cone, height is given as how much? The height. This is the height. Height is given as 15 centimeters. The diameter is 30 centimeters. Diameter means from here to here. But we know we need only radius. Radius is, so r is equal to 15, h is equal to 15 given. Is curved out of a wooden sphere of radius 15 centimeters. So there is a wooden sphere. Sphere means circular thing. It's like a ball of 15 centimeters. From that, one cone is made. So there is a sphere, then sphere. It's not a circle, it's a sphere. So from this, a cone is made. So when make a cone from sphere, some amount of portion will be wasted. That's what he is asking. So you need to find its volume first, and then volume of this cone next. So take the ratio, how much ratio it is. Based on that, you can find out how much percent is wasted. So what is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 by r cube by r cube is given as, so radius 15. So 15 cube is 1 by 3 by r square h. So r is 15 square into h is 15. So here this 15 cube, this 15 cube goes, and this by goes, 3 goes, 1 is to 4. So out of 4 parts, only 1 part is remaining. 3 parts are removed. So 3 out of 4, how much percentage is? 3 by 4, 75%. 75% is wasted. Which question it is? Now 29. 29. The 29. What 29 talks? The sum of the radii of two spheres is 10 centimeters. R1 plus R2 is equal to 10 centimeters. And the sum of their values is 22,000 by 21 centimeter cube. The ratio of the surface area of the two spheres is, okay. So he's asking R1 is, no, he's asking about the surface areas, sphere surface areas. It's 4 by 3 by R1 square into east, 4 by 3 by R2 square. So 4 by 3. Or else you can just R1 square is to R2 square, you can find out. So this is one condition we have. And what else is given? The sum of their volumes is given. So 4 by 3 by R1 cube plus R2. How much it is given? 22,000 divided by 30. Okay. So it's little bit simplification. Okay, do it. So 4 by 3 into plus 7 R1 cube plus cube is equal to 22,000 divided by 21. So 3 7s are, so 31 cancels. So 22,000. So 4 means 250. So R1 cube plus R2 cube has become easier. See, there are 2 cubes. If I add them, it should be 250. And if I add R1 and R2, it should be 10. What is the possible way? 5 cube is 125, 5 cube is 125. It is becoming 250, satisfying. So by just observation, you can say 5 plus 5 is 10. So obviously, if the radiuses are same, what is the thing? The surface areas will be of the same area. So 1:1 is the answer. Next question 30. These are easier questions and easily. We don't have to spend this much time. You should eliminate some steps for your understanding. I'm writing everything in steps. In exam, you should not do all these steps. You should skip some steps and move forward immediately. So 30, question number 30. If the volumes of a sphere and a hemisphere are equal, the ratio of the radii is, there is a sphere volume 4 by 3 pi r cube, and hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. They are equal. The ratio of the radii r1 cube by r2 cube is equal to 2 times 1 by 2. So r1 by r2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 2. So it means 1 by cube root of 1 is cube root of 2. Next 31. The base of pyramid, the regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. Of side 2 centimeters. Regular means are equal. If every slant edge of the pyramid is of length 5a by 2 slant edge, I'll show the diagram. And the volume of the pyramid is have to maintain the symmetry, otherwise you get this side should be all the sides should be equal 2a 2a 2a. From the center they will form equilateral triangles, 6 equilateral triangles, because it is a regular hexagon. So they should form 6 equilateral triangles. Okay, diagram is properly formed, but you should understand all the areas are equal. And he has given slant edge of length 5a by 2. So pyramid will be like this. And from here I draw a line. This is called the slant edge 5a by 2. So it looks like a, see, looks like rectangle triangle, and this is hypotenuse, or this is height. Okay, see, it's a straight line. Okay, so this is the slant line, so there will be some angle here. So there will be some angle here, but this is 90 degrees, obviously. So this is 2a. So how can you find this height? Right angle triangle. How do you find right angle triangle? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is known, and side is known. How you can find hypotenuse? Square minus pi a by 2 whole square minus 2a whole square. 25 by 4 a square minus 4 a square. 25 a square minus 16 a square by 4. So 9 a square by 2. About 9 a square by 4 means 3a by 2. 3a by 2 is a height. So we got it as 3a by 2. So once you got this, you can easily find what is asking the volume. So volume is 1 by 3 into all the base areas into the height. Six areas. 1 by 3 into what is the area of a triangle? Root 3 by 4 into a square. A square is 2a whole square. So root 3 by 4 into a whole square. Okay. So 1 by 3, so volume formula is volume of a pyramid is 1 by 3 into the base area into height. So height we got it as 3a by 2. Height we got it as 3a by 2. We can substitute here. So 1 by 3 into 6 into root 3 by 4 into 4a square into 3a by 2. So whatever you can remove, you can. And 4 gets cancelled. 2 root 3 root 3 a cube. So 3 root 3 a cube is 31. This is the answer. A simple question. So what you need to know is regular hexagon will be having a base of 6 equal areas. If you know that, then this will become easier. So just like Pythagoras, only the Pythagoras theorem you are applying here. Nothing else you are applying. You know Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to